Welcome to Hubflo. In this guide, we'll walk you through setting up your first project step by step so your team can get started quickly. Projects in Hubflo are visual and organized around boards. Each board can represent work, such as a client, onboarding, sales pipeline, or a monthly retainer. The module is flexible. You can rename it to fit your workflow, like accounts, contracts, or anything else. To turn on and rename projects, go to Settings, Organization and Branding, and toggle on the Projects app. Select the name from the dropdown and click Save when finished. Next, open the Projects module from the sidebar by clicking on Projects. To create a new project, click on New, New Project, or Project and Workspace. The second option creates a workspace and links your project to it, saving you time when onboarding new clients. Fill in the project details, like the title of the project, what client or contacts are involved in this project, the project owner, which probably will be someone from your team, any additional team members, the stage. We'll learn how to manage stages later in this video, estimated revenue, start and end dates. Under More Fields, you can add a location. This actually lets you view projects on a map, and I'll show you where you'll find that later in this video. Finally, add some tags and click Create. With your project created, you can now add tasks, notes, send emails, create events, add billing items like invoices or proposals, upload files, track time, and track expenses. On the right side, you'll see the contact or the client assigned to your project, any team members involved, the linked workspace, if you have actually linked a project to the workspace, tags, and other properties such as location and dates. You can also see a dashboard. The dashboard displays invoiced revenue, time spent, expenses, and projected margin. Let's go back to the projects view. In the projects homepage, you can organize projects in tables. Click the plus icon to create a new table or board. To add stages to the board, click New Board, add a name, and then click New Stage. Each stage can have a status such as archived, active, pending, or finished. You can also add win probabilities to each stage. Also, once you have your stages set up, you can drag and drop projects between stages. Now let's see different ways you can visualize your projects. You can actually see your projects in a Kanban view, the table view, a map. This is for those projects where you have added locations, a list, and a dashboard view. You can also filter projects by owner, by tags, next or last activity dates, start and end dates. And finally, as work progresses, you can quickly see which tasks are overdue by checking the bell icon. In the tasks section, you can choose to hide tasks from clients, ensuring that they only see what is relevant to them. You can also set up or organize your tasks in sections. This way, when your clients log into the portal, they will see tasks organized in the sections that you set up. Click on a task to add comments or upload files, which your clients can also view the next time they log into the portal. Let's check out projects from your client's perspective. When clients log into the portal, they will see tasks organized in the sections that you set up for them. They can complete tasks, leave comments, and upload files. Just keep in mind that clients cannot move or drag and drop tasks between sections. This is only for your internal team. And that's it. You've set up your first project in Hubflo. For more help, visit our Help Center or reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help.